Good morning, my dear students. I wish you all a very happy and a pleasant day ahead. So, students, I know you all are missing your school very much because you all have so many activities in school. Like different competitions, annual day, and sports day. I know you all participate in sports with enthusiasm, but that is conducted in school level. After that, you sometime participate in taluka level, then district level, next comes state level, then national level, and some experts participate in international level. There are international sports like Commonwealth Games, Olympics, etc. So, today we will be learning about a Olympic winner in wrestling whose name is Kasaba Jadhav, who was born on 15th January 1926, Satara district, and died on 14th August 1984. So students, now we will start with the lesson. I shall narrate it first and you have to listen it carefully.
Chapter 7, Kasaba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. Kasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kasaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kasaba. From an early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means matches. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada, but in the whole area. Kasaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mulkham, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of 42. The Olympic Games were held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again. But it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Merit means quality of being very good. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for travelling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money, and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashaba's village also helped. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. Then, he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Kashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing 3rd. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhols. Kashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Kashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honors for our motherland?
Children, I hope you all have very well understood this chapter. In this chapter, we have learned valuable things, and it is very important for us to inculcate these values in us. So, today's value you have learned in this chapter is we should always focus on our ambitions and try to pursue it. Here, ambitious means having a strong desire to be successful. Pursuit means to try to achieve something. So now let's move to the worksheet. Your first difficult word is W-R-E-S-T-L-E-R.
Wrestler. 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 Wrestler.
Your second difficult word is Y-O-U-N-G-E-S-T.
Youngest. 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 Youngest.
Your third difficult word is T-A-U-G-H-T.
Dot. 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 Dot.
Your fourth difficult word is C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N.
Competition. 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 Competition.
Your fifth difficult word is G-Y-M-N-A-S-I-U-M.
Gymnasium. 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 Gymnasium.
Your last difficult word is E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-D.
Encouraged. 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 Encouraged.
Your difficult words you are going to write in your rough notebook. Meanings. Your first meaning is bout, a match. Second, agile, able to move quickly and easily. Third one, encouraged, to be supported. Fourth one, earthen, made up of earth or clay. Fifth, pit, a large low area in the ground. Your sixth one, prove one's merit, show that one has the necessary ability or quality. Write these meanings in your rough notebook. Practice 2 times.
Extract 1. Have you heard about? Among them was Kashba. Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions. 1. Where was Kashba Zadhav born? Answer. Kashba Zadhav was born in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district in Maharashtra. 2. What medals are given in the Olympics? Answer. Gold, silver and bronze medals are given in the Olympics. 3. Who takes part in Olympic Games? Answer. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world take part in the Olympic Games. Question 2. Read the words aloud and find the odd man out in each group. 1. Catch, match, watch. Answer. The odd man out is watch. 2. Some, come, home. Answer. Odd man out is home. 3. That, chat, what. Answer. Odd man out is what. 4. 5. Give, dive. Answer. Odd man out is give. 5. Those, knows, lose. Answer. Odd man out is lose. 6. Here, there, where. Answer. Odd man out is here. Question 3. Add est to the following words to form the superlative degree. The words are 1. Poor, 2. High, 3. Long, 4. Young, 5. Sweet, 6. Round, 7. Short, 8. Deep. Answer. 1. Poor, poorest, 2. High, highest, 3. Long, longest, 4. Young, youngest, 5. Sweet, sweetest, 6. Round, roundest, 7. Short, shortest, 8. Deep, deepest. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. 1. The youngest was Kashba. This means that all the other sons were
dash
than Kashba. Answer. The youngest was Kashba. This means that all the other sons were older than Kashba. 2. The best among them was Kashba. This means that the others were not as
dash
as Kashba. Answer. The best among them was Kashba. This means that the others were not as good as Kashba. 3. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. This means that not
dash
Indians have won Olympic medals so far. Answer. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. This means that not many Indians have won Olympic medals so far. 4. The first person to win a medal was a wrestler. This means that
dash
other person had won a medal before a wrestler had. Answer. The first person to win a medal was a wrestler. This means that no other person had won a medal before a wrestler had. Students, you must read the completed sentences several times after filling in the blanks to understand the meaning well. Question 5. Use 2 or more letters from the given words to make other words. 1. Wrestling. New words formed from the word wrestling are stir, in, is, grin, wrist, and win. 2. Wrestler. New words formed from the word wrestler are stew, wet, lest, west, rest, and steer. Students, you can make more words of your own. Extract 2. From an early age, International Olympic Games. Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions. 1. What sports did Kashba like? Answer. Kashba liked wrestling, malkhamb, running, swimming, and gymnastics. 2. Whom did Kashba beat in wrestling and in which year? Answer. Kashba beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. Question 2. Pick out the words ending in ing. Answer. Words ending in ing are wrestling, swimming, running. Question 3. Write the opposites of 1. Loved, hated, 2. Best, worst, 3. Youngest, oldest, 4. Strong, weak. Question 4. Use 2 or more letters from the given words to make other words. At least 5. 1. Therefore. New words formed are there, here, free, the, tore, and tree. 2. National. New words formed are nation, not, ant, tin, tan, and at. Students, you can make more words of your own.
Dear students, please write following assignment 1 and 2 in your English Bhalbhati workbook, page number 24, 25 and 26. Difficult words and meanings write in your rough notebook. I hope you will follow this value in your day-to-day life. Students, tomorrow I will be reading this chapter and your worksheet matters. So, now we will meet you next lecture. Bye. Have a nice day.